Alright, let's move on to what we call absolute value equations, okay? So absolute value equations, for example, like we have something like this. So this is what we call an absolute value equation. Let's almost take this as a 16. These are actually kind of like, these are the absolute value signs. So this right here, when you have like two like kind of like goalposts, I guess you say, or yeah, this is how an absolute value is indicated. And an absolute value is pretty much like this. It's saying that it can either be equal to 42, or it can also be equal to negative 42. So for example, it would be like this: 6m, alright, can either be equal to 42, or 6m could be equal to negative 42. So you're going to have two answers. So that means that m can either be, so it's 6 divided by 42, 7, or negative 7. So pretty much it just comes down to, when you have absolute values, that you will have, you know, more than one answer. So let's try a couple. Okay. Let's say we have 7n is equal to 56. Okay. So this looks kind of, you know, interesting because the 7 is outside. So if you have the coefficient outside, what you can do is you can just automatically divide that coefficient to solve for absolute value of n. So if we divide both sides by 7, you get the absolute value of n is equal to, so what gets, so 56 divided by 7 is 8, right? Now by definition of an absolute value, alright, it can be either n equals 8 or n equals negative 8. So to put it in proper form, we say that n is either negative 8 or 8.